Okay, good morning students. Welcome to online classes. Political science subject political science. Okay, chapter 5. Chapter 4 will discuss about political concept. Chapter 5 political ideologies. Okay, English medium students. Chapter 5. Now, chapter 5 political ideologies. What is the new chapter? Yesterday we discussed already what is the meaning of political ideology and which concept mainly help of the political ideology and concepts. Okay, we discussed yesterday class. Now chapter 5 political ideologies. The political ideologies. Okay. The political ideologies are main important of the characters of in state level. Empirical argument. Okay. Empirical argument and criticism, liberalization, basic torrents, man, new liberalization. Okay, these are main topics under the chapter 5 political ideologies. Yesterday we discussed economical power, biological power, and strongly power. We were discussing yesterday. Okay, here ideologies. What is the meaning of ideologies? The ideologies is the main effect on the in every state level. Every state level under the create of the new ideology and new thinkers. Okay, like new thinkers also mainly effect on the under the social level. Okay, now it is main maintenance of the empirical argument. Empirical argument. Empirical argument. Empirical arguments. The argument is also mainly developed under the political ideology. Okay, like example yesterday, economical powers. Okay, economical ideology, biological ideology. Okay, for example, liberalization. Liberalization it is mainly depend on the under the power, ideology and power. Okay, economical ideology, biological ideology, and next new economical ideology. Okay, economical ideology. Economically, the state depend on the economically change or economically more developed or not developed may depend on the under the state level. Economical ideology. Next, biological ideology. Economical ideology under the depend on the state or national level economical type of schemes, economical policies or schemes. The economically manpower or development or not, economically development or not, we will depend on the economical biology. Okay, the economical biology mainly connected of the some important of economical policy, economical theory system. Okay, the income and expenditure. For example, one of the greatest person, Adam Smith, one of the famous economist. Okay, who is the famous economist? Adam Smith. Adam Smith, one of the famous economist, the great economist, Adam Smith. Okay, Adam Smith mainly follow the ideological theory. It is called economical ideological theory. Okay, people are different under the society. Every society under the depend on the under the leadership only. The leadership it is mainly the follow the under the constitutional rules, the constitutional theory and constitutional rules. So economically, the state are developed or not developed. Either mainly ideology create on the ideological system. It is mainly maintenance of the who is the maintenance Adam Smith. The Adam Smith it is one of the greatest of the person. He is mainly maintenance of the economical ideology. Okay. Next biological ideology. Biological means here human. Okay, human like a animal or birds under the forest. Okay, the biological ideology is mainly effect on the humans, animals, human, animal, and forest level of the birds. Human, animals, or forest level depend on the birds. Biological theory, the biological department also. Okay, Professor mainly Sir Thomas and next other main important of the Charles. So main effect on the biological theory. The biological ideology also main effect on the human society and human ideological theory and animal and birds. Animal ideological theory and affected on the under the forest level of the forest level depend on the birds also human and animal and birds. This is mainly depend on the biological ideology, biological characterism. Okay, economical characterism or economical ideology and next biological characterism, biological ideology. It is mainly depend on the liberalism. Okay, yesterday we discussed about here ideological theory. The ideological is mainly depend on the liberalism, neoliberalism, Marxism, socialism, okay, Gandhism. These are main principles on the under the political ideologies. Okay, the political ideology mainly depend and it is how many type of characters? 5 types of characters are there. Okay, now empirical argument, criticism, and liberalism. We will now discuss 3 categories: empirical argument, and next to criticism. Okay, criticism and liberalism. Empirical argument and next to criticism and number next category liberalism. Criticism, liberalism. Okay, empirical argument under the argument depend on the under the political ideology. The empirical argument depend on the 18th to 19th centuries. These centuries mainly argument are under the state level arguments only. Arguments are mainly depend on the state level argument. So the empirical argument under the 18th to 19th centuries mainly depend on the society all over nation and state. Next to criticism, the criticism characters about 16th to 19th centuries. 16th and 19th century, these are centuries mainly criticism characters are developed. So next to liberalism, new liberalism means new concept of theory. Liberalism one of the revolution type of period, the great revolution. For example, revolution means movements. Many revolutions start under the total one level, French Revolution and Russian Revolution. Okay, so liberalism also mainly these are what the mainly liberal type of system. Liberal, okay, they are made freedom, liberal characters or freedom characters. So liberalism mainly depend on the freedom type of characters and we want mainly more liberal type of system. Okay, more freedom. The freedom mainly 18th to 20th centuries. These are centuries. Which centuries? 18th and 18th to 20th centuries. The liberalism character is more under the development of the nation. Okay, the development of the nation more. It is mainly maintenance of the liberalism under the Western European countries and some Gulf countries. Okay, and Asian some countries. Okay, backward of the countries also may depend on the neoliberalism. The neoliberalism mainly we will economically changes of the under the society. Okay, basic torrents also mainly depend on the neoliberalism. Basic torrents. The basic torrents mainly it is depend on the society. Like example, political ideology. The political ideology here total under the political leaders only. The political leaders we will change under the state level or society or nation level. Okay, the state or sometimes state or national level. So the basic traits also mainly, for example, gender bias. Okay, the gender bias, caste or religion. It is also mainly depend on the basic ideology. The basic ideology or basic traits. Basic traits man and neoliberalism. Okay, liberalism and neoliberalism. These are two type of characters are there under the empirical argument. Okay, first one what is there? Liberalism. Second one is called mainly neoliberalism. Okay, first one in 16th to 18th century is liberalism there. Neoliberalism 18th to 20th century. Okay, liberalism and neoliberalism under the effect of the political ideology, under the characters of the society in every leader. Like example, characters of society and their arguments are there under the state level or national level. State level and national level. Man and neoliberalism basic traits. Basic traits also it is mainly a concept of the under the ideology. Basic traits, particularly political basic traits and economically these are mainly changes of the under the state level. Okay, so these are mainly argument. It is called mainly political ideology. So chapter 4 and chapter 5 these are lessons related lessons. Political concept chapter 4 and political ideologies chapter 5. So concept and ideology here, concept ideology it is called mainly these are the words synonyms. Okay, synonyms words. So the main political ideology it is mainly depend on the liberal characters and critical characters. Like example, economical ideology, economical characters, biological ideology, biological characters. Like example under the forest and depend on the forest of the human characters and animal and bird under the total forest level. Okay, biological criticism also, biological criticism or biological ideology also mainly change of the under the society. Okay, the whole society depend on the under the in different type of system, the whole of the nation and society. So these are mainly basic traits of the political ideology. Basic traits of the political ideology. Man, the man is also mainly one of the main chief spokesperson, leader of the party in power.